Hey, Radu here. In this video we'll talk about connections in Airtable, and we will see that we have three main ways to connect data in Airtable. I'm talking about links, I'm talking about lookups, and we also have rollups, and we'll discuss each one of them and see their best use cases. I have here a very basic CRM that will help us understand these three connection types. I have accounts, companies, and I have opportunities, meaning opportunities to sell stuff to the companies. And what I want to do first is to link these two tables. I want to be able to say, okay, this opportunity is for this company. So I want to be able to select from the list of companies, of a list of accounts I have here. That's pretty easy to do. I just have to change this field type, and I'm going to use link to another record. What's funny is the fact that I can link it to accounts, but I can also link it to opportunities. So I can link one opportunity to another, which is pretty interesting. But in my case, I'm going to use accounts, and I'm going to allow linking to a single account. I don't want to say, okay, this opportunity is for two companies. I just want to have a single account. I'm going to click save, and it also pops up an option to look up fields, but let's go into this a little bit later on. So I'm going to click skip. And what I can see now is that I'm able to select, okay, this opportunity is for this company, the second one is for this company, and so on. Of course, that if I add new accounts here, new companies, let's say company 2, I will see this new company in this column, and I can select it. You can also see that they are sorted not by alphabetical order, but they are sorted by the order it is in this table, in the accounts table. Okay, that was the first one, the link. The second one will be the lookup, and we saw a little bit of preview earlier on as Airtable popped up something like, okay, they want lookup fields. What I want here is I want to see the region of this company. I want to see the region in this table. This is pretty similar to VLOOKUP, so if you use Excel, you are pretty familiar with what VLOOKUP does. And it is really simple to do also in Airtable. I just want to use a lookup field. So I'm going to look up to account. I can only look up to this table because they are linked. And I'm going to choose, okay, I want to have this region to make it visible here. And you can see it automatically gave me the region for these companies. If I change the company, of course, it will also change the region. The third way to connect data in Airtable is using a rollup. And let me show you what I mean by that. I have here the list of companies, and I want to see in this table the total opportunity value, all the money I'm supposed to make from all these opportunities. As I can see, Joe's Donuts has 2 opportunities, Gigi Fernandez has 1. Let's put another one for, let's say, this company. I'm not going to write anything, just want to put some numbers, and that's it. Okay, so what I want to see the entire opportunity value here. So this is when I use a rollup, and I'm going to choose the customize field type and search for rollup. I really like the fact that it has a search here, and I don't have to need to scroll a lot. So I can only use the opportunities table because that's like the only one. And if I scroll down, it's pretty hard because the window is minimized. I say, okay, I want to see which field. I want to see the value field. And I can choose how it rolls up the data. It can say, okay, it can give me a sum or maybe a count or maybe an average. It depends on what I want to see. In my case, I want to see the sum because I want to have the total of opportunities. But we have also other options. It's like SUMIF or COUNTIFS or whatever, it's pretty similar if you use Excel. I'm going to click save. And what I see here is that for this company, Joe's Donuts, I have $5,000 or euros or lei, whatever, of money that I'm supposed to make by selling to this company. And it automatically aggregates these values and gives me the sum here. So we have 3 ways to connect data into Airtable. The first one is the link. And if I would compare it to Excel, it's like data validation, something like that. The second one is lookup. If I compare it to Excel, it's like VLOOKUP. The third one is rollup, and if I compare it to Excel, it's like SUMIF, COUNTIFS, average if. It depends on what aggregation you want to do. This was it. I hope you learned something new. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. My name is Radu, I'm a tech trainer from Romania, and on my YouTube channel you'll find lots of short tutorials about spreadsheet, but also about other productivity apps. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.